How to create customized client in Notion. Want to manage your clients more effectively in Notion? Let's build a customized client database step by step. So start by creating a new page. So go ahead and choose table view and name it clients. And this will be the foundation of your client management system. So from here, you need to add properties that matter for your workflow, such as client name, company, email, phone, status, start date, and notes. You can also link projects with a relation property. So customize views to make data easier to read. Use board to group clients by status, calendar view to track start dates or meetings, and gallery view to display client cards with logos or images. You can create a client template with pre-filled sections for contact info, link tasks, meeting notes, and follow-up reminders. This keeps every entry consistent. Now link clients to your project's database and then go ahead and use roll-ups to display project progress or total revenue per client, giving you a quick overview of performance. And that is how to create customized client in Notion.